It's not easy, it's not quick, but it's necessary. These powerful words from Denzel Washington resonate with anyone who has ever faced challenges, setbacks, or moments of doubt. The journey to greatness starts not with conquering the world, but with conquering yourself. Today, we're diving deep into the motivational wisdom of Denzel Washington, breaking down his life lessons on how to rebuild from within, face your fears, and rise stronger than ever. Whether you're battling failures, navigating uncertainty, or simply seeking a fresh start, this message is for you. Stay with us as we explore 30 powerful principles inspired by Denzel's words, designed to help you conquer the toughest opponent you'll ever face, yourself. 1. Embrace discomfort to grow. Denzel Washington often speaks about embracing discomfort. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. Whether it's learning a new skill, confronting your fears, or putting in the hard work, real progress begins when you step outside your safe bubble. 2. Focus on your own path, not others' opinions. One of Denzel's key messages is to focus on your own path and not let the noise of other people's opinions drown out your inner voice. The only opinion that truly matters is your own. Stay true to your purpose. 3. Failure is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. In Denzel's journey to success, failure was not the end. It was a stepping stone. Every setback is a lesson, and each failure is a critical part of building resilience. Don't fear failure, embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. 4. Take control of your mindset. Denzel emphasizes the power of mindset. How you see yourself determines how far you'll go. You have to believe in your ability to rebuild, no matter the challenges. Start each day with the mindset that you are capable of more. 5. Consistency over motivation. Denzel teaches that motivation can waver, but consistency is key. The small daily actions are what shape who you are and what you become. Whether you feel motivated or not, show up for yourself every single day. 6. Discipline equals freedom. Discipline is often viewed as restricting, but it's actually the opposite. Denzel believes that discipline in your actions, choices, and habits leads to freedom. Freedom from doubt, from fear, and from stagnation. 7. Gratitude as fuel for rebuilding. One of the most overlooked tools for self-rebuilding is gratitude. Denzel highlights the importance of appreciating what you have while working for what you want. Gratitude keeps you grounded and focused. 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Denzel often speaks about the power of your environment. Who you surround yourself with can lift you up or bring you down. To rebuild yourself, you must choose to be around people who inspire and push you toward greatness. 9. Never stop learning. For Denzel, learning never stops. Whether it's through books, mentors, or experiences, continually improving yourself mentally, spiritually, and emotionally is part of the rebuilding process. The more you learn, the more you grow. 10. Your legacy is built through action. Denzel believes that your legacy isn't defined by words, but by actions. How you treat others, how you overcome adversity, and how you pursue your purpose, these are the things that shape your legacy. So ask yourself, what are you doing today to build the legacy you want to leave behind? 11. Believe in your unique journey. Denzel Washington emphasizes the importance of believing in your unique journey. Your path won't look like anyone else's, and that's okay. Every setback, every victory is shaping your story. Trust in it. 12. Chase progress, not perfection. Denzel reminds us that perfection is an illusion. Don't aim to be perfect, aim to make progress. Every small step forward, no matter how imperfect, brings you closer to your goals. 13. Humility is the key to greatness. Humility is a cornerstone of Denzel Washington's life philosophy. Stay humble in your victories, grounded in your successes, and always remember that there's more to learn, more to improve. 14. Rejection is redirection. Rejection isn't the end of your story. It's often the beginning. Denzel teaches that rejection is just redirection towards something greater. Learn to see closed doors as opportunities to find better ones. 15. Take responsibility for your life. One of Denzel's most powerful messages is to take full responsibility for your life. No one else is responsible for your success or failure. It's your choices, your effort, and your mindset that shape your future. 16. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Denzel reminds us that the joy is in the process, not just the outcome. When you focus on daily improvement, the results will come. Learn to love the journey, and success will follow naturally. 17. Practice patience in your rebuilding process. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are you. Denzel stresses the importance of patience in the rebuilding process. Great things take time, so don't rush the journey. Trust that every effort compounds over time. 18. Protect your energy. Your energy is your most valuable resource. Denzel talks about being selective with where you place your focus and attention. Don't waste energy on things or people that drain you. Focus on what fuels your growth. 19. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Denzel believes that obstacles aren't meant to stop you. They're meant to test how badly you want something. Learn to turn every obstacle into an opportunity for growth, and you'll become unstoppable. 20. Lead by example. Not words. Denzel emphasizes that true leadership isn't about what you say, it's about what you do. Lead by example in everything, whether it's at work, in your relationships, or in your personal growth. Show, don't tell. 21st, don't be afraid to dream. Big Denzel Washington urges us to dream big. The size of your dreams should scare you. If they don't, you're not dreaming big enough. Visualize what's possible, even when others doubt you. 22nd, purpose over passion. Denzel often talks about the difference between passion and purpose. Passion is temporary. It comes and goes. But purpose is lasting. Find what you're truly meant to do and let that guide you. 23. Keep moving forward. Despite fear. Fear is natural, but it's not an excuse to stop. Denzel's advice is simple. Keep moving forward even when you're scared. Fear can be a powerful motivator if you let it push you instead of paralyze you. 24. Accountability is crucial. To rebuild yourself, you must hold yourself accountable. Denzel stresses the importance of looking in the mirror and taking responsibility for your actions, your failures, and your progress. 25. Give back as you rise. One of Denzel's core principles is giving back. As you rebuild yourself and climb higher, don't forget to help others along the way. Your success is more meaningful when it positively impacts those around you. 26. Faith and trust in the process. Denzel often talks about the importance of faith in yourself, in your journey, and in the process. You won't always see immediate results, but you have to trust that everything is aligning in your favor. 27. Hard work beats talent, Denzel. Washington believes that talent alone won't get you far without hard work. Consistent effort will always outweigh raw talent. It's the person who grinds day in and day out that reaches the top. 28. Silence your inner critic. That little voice in your head, the one telling you that you can't do it, needs to be silenced. Denzel emphasizes that the harshest critic we often face is ourselves. Learn to control your inner dialogue and replace doubt with confidence. 29th. Success requires sacrifice. Success doesn't come without sacrifice. Denzel reminds us that to rebuild and reach our highest potential, we must let go of old habits, unproductive relationships, and distractions that no longer serve us. 30. Visualize and manifest your future. One of Denzel's key messages is to visualize your success. See yourself winning, achieving, and growing. When you vividly imagine your future, you bring it closer to reality. Manifest what you desire through your actions and mindset. You see, rebuilding yourself is not a single moment. It's a journey, a process that requires dedication, resilience, and, most importantly, the will to conquer your inner doubts. Denzel Washington's words remind us that the true battle lies within. The world may challenge you, but the biggest victory you can achieve is mastering yourself. Each lesson we explored today, whether it's embracing failure, staying disciplined, or finding purpose, are the building blocks to something greater. They are the keys to unlocking your potential and rebuilding a stronger, more determined version of yourself. Remember, it's not about where you've been or even where you are. It's about where you're going. As Denzel said, don't aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference. The power to rebuild lies in your hands. So take a deep breath, silence the doubts, and step forward. Your journey to conquer yourself starts now. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more empowering content. Keep moving forward, and never stop building the person you're meant to be.